can't see that.
It's okay.
When you cut it, like when I just cut that, the muscle is still moving. I can feel the still alive.
And you're just actually holding the knife still, but you're moving the skin.
Yeah.
Is that
So
what you're
here I removed a little bit. This is a mistake, right? You can see the. Where's the skin? There's a little bit of red here, right? That's missing,
Oh yeah,
right?
yeah.
So this one
that's
was
a
done
mistake.
properly. I took a little bit of meat off, but when you move the skin, the knife against the fish doesn't saw. So this surface is clean. If you go like this, then you see the saw marks on the fish when you remove them.
Oh, I see.
So like if you shave the skin, that
Yeah, the
saw
knife and the
is-
meat stay smooth together, but the skin, of
is
course,
really-
gets a little rough looking. But you don't need the skin, so that's okay.
Oh, you're using honey.
Yes.